will show you how to run a simple tensile test. As you can see, this is the typical specimen for tensile test, and this is called the dog bone specimen. And this is the machine where this is the clamp where you're going to mount your samples between. And this is the drive system, so this is the load, the hand where you can move up and down. And here is the computer that is being used to control the machine. The software we use is called the TestWork 4. Let's open the software. It's no password. And first of all, we need to select the package we use. This is this package. This one. This one. Okay. No, that's one. So we store our method here. Try this one. Okay. So, and you can see this is the package, the methodology we're gonna use. And first of all, we need to input the width of the specimen, the thickness of this specimen, and because then the software can calculate the stress. So basically the stress is how much force it applied to the specimen and divided by the cross-section area, which is the width times the thickness. It also needs to define the initial speed. Let's just do 2 inches per minute, and the normal gauge length, this is generally is the center of this region, is about 2 inches. All right, when we have everything in, so you might use a caliper to measure the width and the thickness, but I know it's roughly 0.5. The thickness is about 0.125. Okay. Now let's mount our sample. You want to make sure it is vertically aligned, well aligned between the clamps. And once you mount the specimen, you come back. Before you click start, you want to zero the stress, the load on the machine, zero the channel, and you can see this is the strength 0. Then you can click start. Set mode. Okay. So we have. Let's zero the channel. Click OK. And you can see now the machine is applying load to the specimen, and you can see the strength, the displacement. And this is when the necking occurred, so I think it's gonna break. Now, this window appears that crosshead is about to return. So generally, before you click OK, you should remove the specimen. Otherwise, you will see they're going to crush together. So then click OK. Now the software reports the values for the modulus, percent elongation and the break, which means like where it breaks. Like for this case, it's about 138% of strength, and the tensile strength, which is the maximum strength the material can sustain, which is about 1500 psi. And we can also look at the original data. Go to File and Export Preview, Export and Specimen. I think we go to Preview, Specimen. All right, and you can see this is the text file where you can see the load and the time, the extension, the stress, and the strength, the original data. And you can use the original data to calculate the property by yourself. This is about the tensile test.